Hi, my name is Catherine Beatriz Reyeventura. I'm 24 years old. In this opportunity, I will be your tutor of English language class in this virtual class. In this virtual class, we going to work in an interchange tradition book. And this opportunity, we going to work in a unit water store. And this unit, we learn about the past perfect grammar. And in this virtual class, we going well. You're going to work in about the some activities. For example, tests, quizzes, photo and shop, and you had to watch some videos. And I hope that you enjoy this course. Thank you very much.